Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how I make my condo feel all cozy for the holiday season because I live in 800 square feet here in Buckhead, Atlanta, Georgia. So I have to get a little creative with how to bring in the holiday cheer when I don't have a lot of extra space to work with. So here's a couple things that I'm doing to make my space feel all filled with Christmas cheer. So let's do it. Man, that's bright. Okay, man, as you can see, there's a lot going on here. We got ring lights, we got all kinds of camera gear. I'm in the middle of cooking gluten-free Christmas cookies, which I'm also gonna share a link to how to make those. So brace yourself because there's nothing better than being able to eat Christmas cookies while still feeling healthy while doing it. So that's gonna be another video, so be sure to check that out. But what is the first thing that you need to make a space feel like Christmas? Well, for me, that's a Christmas tree. Definitely a Christmas tree. Well, as you can see, I would have to get rid of some furniture in order to have room for a Christmas tree. So this is how I'm improvising. Here are my Christmas trees. They come pre-lit, guys. Look how cute that is. They come pre-lit. So, oh, and you can see my wagon over there. That's where I went grocery shopping at Whole Foods. So I still gotta put that up. See, that's what I mean. 800 square feet. Every space is precious. So here is my Christmas tree that I am going to be enjoying the holiday season with. And they're so cute and tiny. And now when I'm sitting on my couch, I can enjoy them because I'm gonna be traveling and visiting family. So I don't want to have a huge tree that I'm not gonna really be able to enjoy most of the Christmas season. So that's first thing. Excuse you, you're putting your little butt. Come here, Mashugana. So the next thing that you have to do to bring in the Christmas cheer and make your space feel all cozy is you need a chunky knit blanket like this one. So as you can see, Juliet loves sitting here. Sit down, sit down. Well, right now she loves fetching. That's what she loves at this very second. So a chunky knit blanket, I love cozying up with this at night while looking at my little Christmas tree and lighting some candles. So having this makes me feel all cozy for the holiday season. Since I live in a condo, they're not really installing fireplaces in those these days. So I use the 4K fireplace link on YouTube, and then it gives me the same feel, minus having to change the wood out and clean the ashes and all that kind of stuff. So I get the crackles and the nice ambiance without the cleanup. What a best of both worlds. Rachel? Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Calm down, you little bucking Bronco. She's my little monkey. Do you see this? Do you see how she just climbs over everything like she's on Everest? She's like a cat. I know. Like, this is why we can't take good Instagram photos. Next thing is all of the candles. You need to get, look at my classy Home Goods sticker on there. You know, Home Goods, you should really get rid of those, in my personal opinion. They are hard as heck to get off, and I have to use Goo-Gone, and I don't have time for that. I have a really busy work schedule. I'm barely able to keep this place decorated and clean, so the last thing I need is to take off a Home Goods sticker. Home Goods, I love you. My only thought is you should get rid of the stickers. So anyways, you should get all the candles. You still can see it. Ha ha ha. Now you can't. Now you can't see that Home Goods sticker. So you should get all of the candles for this time of year because candles just make your space feel warm and it smells good. So there's so many perks. The next thing to do is to grab some cozy clothes. Make sure your little furry friend has a cozy outfit too, and turn on some Christmas movies because that is one of my favorite things to do to feel cozy and warm this time of year. And I'm gonna include a little link to this outfit below if you wanna get the same little wardrobe ensemble. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm posting new videos every week on healthy living, home, and tasty recipes so we can keep getting stronger and hanging out together. So subscribe and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Bye.